Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is 9:49 a.m. on the 19th of April. Today is a Wednesday, and at the moment, I am in a trade of 42,400 call option, where I have entered over here at 125. Probably a little early in the opening candle, should have waited, but since then it's been ranging. As you can see on the futures chart, it's been ranging, and also on the Bank Nifty chart over here. So I'm waiting for the upside to break because RSI is showing positive and is showing a price action, and it's giving higher lows. So once the top breaks, it could come up to at least 134 and beyond there. So it did come a little above 125 on one to three occasions almost, but my stop loss is very strict at 91 over here. I've taken four lots. So invested amount right now is 12,500 and the stop loss is at 91. So we're taking a loss of 3,400 rupees. So up, down, and sideways, I have some positions in a strangle on at the money, but at the moment I'm just concentrating on this buy. Where once this high breaks and takes a price action, I'll be looking for targets of 144 and 160. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the time is 9:57, and yes, this broke down and came to my stop loss level, so I have exited. I'm currently holding a strangle at the money based on the 920 candle. So I'll be looking at that. I have bought 42,700 and 41,900 strikes, call and put of next week's expiry, and I've sold 42,300 at the money, call and put. So let's see how that works out. And currently the time is 9:58. My target on that would be at least to recover this loss. Let's see how it goes. So this is my intraday strangle right now at the money 42,300. It's running at a small profit of 200 rupees, approximately 100 to 200 rupees. Where I will square this off is when this goes 100 points. So if this shows a minus 5,000, what I will do is I will shift this next to the next strike price that is available at a similar premium, and I will let this continue to decay. I will not add any more quantities or shift this. So with this hedge I have bought 41,900 put and 42,700 call of next week, and as this is going rupee to rupee right now, so let's see how this works. It's 10:35 right now, and the next trade that I've taken is 42,200 put option, where my buy-in was exactly at 154.55 over here. My stop loss is this candle low at 136. Market is very volatile, a lot of zigzag moves, a lot of decay happening today due to range movement. So my heart is on the put side. So since this came and retested and closed above VWAP, I am looking for a deflect from here. So if that fails, yes, 136 is my stop loss. Else my first target will be 166 and 178. The reason for this is, if you see this, it is coming and stopping over here at this fib level at 42,220. Now if that rejects and starts moving down, if this breaks, it's going to give a very handsome movement on this put option strike. Okay, traders, what happened here is I had put the stop loss over here and we had bought it over here. It came, took a deflection of VWAP and went up to my first target. So the first target, what I did was I booked half quantity over here. I had taken 100 quantity and I booked half over here, and then when it came down over here is what I did as a safety measure, because I've already taken a hit today. So I put my remaining stop loss at cost. So it came and hit again, it went to the target over here. So as you can see, market is very volatile, so it's better to play safe and play with less quantity and do better trades. Okay traders, another trade I've gotten into is 17,650 put option, because the Nifty is looking quite weak, so we could see some break if it goes below 17,620. So at the moment my buy price is 53.68 and my stop loss is over here at 46.2. So if it closes below this, I'm going to exit and take the hit. Otherwise my first target is 60 and second target is 65. Okay traders, it's been a pretty bad day. So what happened? Bought it here at 53, and over here if you see this, look at this, it just hunted out people and then went back up. and it's just been floating down ever since. I got out at 40 over here. Okay, 13 point loss, so that's 2600, 2700 loss I've taken. So I'm still positive by 200 rupees today, and once I got out, see, it starts moving back up. So it's very difficult to play in a market like this that has been going zigzag. There has been no proper direction at all. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Look at this, and again it's coming down. So it's better to just scalp a few points, not to go too heavy on quantities, because stop loss hunting has been massive today. Anyway, I'll take a break now. The time is 12:15. Let me just look at the market direction. Let me look at the indicators clearly and make a decision later on. Okay, traders, probably my last trade for the day. I am trading at a profit of around 200, 2 to 300 rupees. What is going on right now with Bank Nifty? Let me just show you over here. It did the swing. It is now creating a level over here. If you see this over here and then over here, and now if this breaks out, it is resisting this fib level of 42,165. Now I'm looking for a breakout and a price action and then a move up. Why? Because on the futures, if you see, the SAR is creating a good base at the bottom, and this is also following. So usually what happens now that it's above the green line, it just has to break the red line, hit VWAP, take a price action, and then start moving up. So I am on 42 100 call option. I bought in at 190. My stop loss is at 162 over here at the day's low where this was trading last. So I'm looking for a breakout, and if that happens, I'll start trailing my stop loss. So the time is now 12:28. Let's see how this works out. Okay, traders, as you have seen that the market broke out, and once it started breaking out like this, once it touched 250, I started trailing my stop losses. I booked 3 lots above 221, and one lot I kept here at 202, so that came and hit, it triggered. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the time is 3:31. The markets are closed, and it was a zigzag day, probably in a very predictable range as it was just falling and falling and falling. Bank Nifty closed at 111 points down from yesterday's close, and many places I got trapped over here. One was over here when I took a call and it came down, hit my stop loss, and I was pretty much sure that yes, this will roll back up, and then I bought in somewhere over here after this retest, and this gave me a good profit, and I exited it very carefully because I was trailing the stop loss, and this one big candle came and took everything out. So that was a no loss trade for me. Then I went into puts because I saw these SAR dots, they were going down, and this level was broken. There's a price action, and from this price action I took puts again. So again I made some money over here, and then this one pullback knocked me out with stop loss in profit. Then last I had taken a, what you say, a future buy over here, and my stop loss was here. So what happened? It came, knocked me out, and then flew about 80 to 90 points, which really pissed me off. So anyway, the profit and loss is 2100 loss today. A lot of transactions, as you can see, Bank Nifty, and then we had month end Bank Nifty, which I took, and then there was Fin Nifty trades, which I booked in profit. Then there were Nifty trades also, which I took, and those did not go really well. A lot of zigzag on Nifty, a lot of decay on both ends, whichever side I played. Initially, I had tried for the put side, and it went down, 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 and then suddenly shot up when that market turned downwards. So really, really bugging day today. Nonetheless, the loss is only 2,100 compared to the last 2 days. We've booked over 24,000 in profits. So this is not even, this is less than 10% of this. So anyway, weekly target is met, and the loss is very small, so I'm not disappointed about this. Tomorrow is the weekly expiry. I will be looking forward to that. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.